Whether you're looking for a post-workout snack or an on-the-go option, fuel your athletic lifestyle by raising the bar. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how fun and easy it is to customize your own homemade fitness bars. So let's start mixing. In a large bowl, pour in 2 cups of Good Graces gluten-free quick oats, 1 cup of Tone It Up vanilla protein powder, 1 cup of natural peanut butter, 1 cup of freeze-dried strawberries, 3/4 cup of Hy-Vee honey, and a 1/4 cup of Full Circle chia seeds. Beat these together with an electric mixer on medium until well combined. Whole grains like oats provide the most nutritional bang for your buck, providing complex carbohydrates, fiber, and additional vitamins. Next, line an 8" by 8" baking pan with parchment paper and extend the paper over the edges of the pan. Press the mixture into the pan and chill for 1 hour or until firm. Lift the mixture out of the pan and cut into pieces. And we're ready to serve up some powerful protein. Whether you're a workout warrior or fitness first-timer, these bars will provide the nutrients you need to refuel and recover faster. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.